Hello guys, we are on our second video, or third video, excuse me. We are on our third video about uh, AutoCAD electrical. So today I want to draw a right and left turning key that it's a three-phase key. So let's start. Click on new drawing. Wait until it opens. So now that it's opened, click on line. We are going to draw 3 lines. First line, okay. Now choose dimension. We will make it about 2. I think 2 is good. It doesn't matter. We want to make just they are at the same distance. So we'll make it this much. Okay. Click on it and click on copy selection. So now do it again. So we are all set. Click on the first line that you have draw and click on copy selection and copy it again. So now we are all set. Delete the distance that you have made by erase. So now it's all done for now. Now we'll make 3 lines for the faces coming out. 1. So now we are going to make distances. So how much should this distance be? It's like about this. So it's okay. We will copy selection it again in here. So we are all set again in here until there. From here until here. So click on this and this and erase. So now I think I made a mistake, so connect this to the second line. Okay, we have our 3 phases. Now click on text. It should be a single line one. Now we are going to make it so write L1 for the first phase, L2 for the second phase, and L3 for the third phase. So now make them in one line and in one position. So it should be there and it should be here. I think no, here is good. So we are all set and we have all the 3 phases. So now draw a box. We will use rectangle. So go here a little down, cancel, press. I will do it again. I will make your work easier here. As you can see, each of these should be 3 square, and we will make 5 1 2 3 4 and 5 parts. So here it says, so from here 1 part is here. Click on copy selection and move all the way down, and again copy selection and again. So here we are all set. Click on line again and go all the way down. Thank you guys if you're done it. And again here we are all set. So move it a little bit down. So now you should draw some circles with numbers. Here 1 circle, we make copy selection it here, 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 and here. So it is good and they are in one line. So now draw for each of these a number. We should draw it for each of these a number. Move it a little bit near the shape Here is good. So now we will write numbers, single line, zoom, and I think it's good. So we will write the number of this should be 1, the second one should be 2, after that again 2, we will have then 3 or 3, as you will say 3, 4, here again 4, 1, 5, and 6. So it's all the way down for this. So now we should make them in one line. Here is good for 1, and should do it for 2 too. Again, you will do this until all the line numbers are in one line and in the a good shape with the others. This will make your drawing better looking, and you will be a better engineer if you pay attention to these things. So we are doing it all the way until then. You can do this when you are drawing the circle, and it will be more efficient, and you will have less time spent on numbers, but at that time you should do something else too, and it will take some time, but it's okay. So it's all for the circuit damage. Now we should context some parts. For example, here, as you can see, I'm taking it all the way down to 1. So you should see here is 1. So here is connected to 1. And we are going to connect some other parts of here. Here, as you can see, 2, 2. And now we are going to connect 3 to 3. So now we are going to connect 4 to 4. So we are all set. And we should remember doing other things too. Here we have a connection. When you turn your key up or down, it will be like this. The way that the switches will connect to each other, it's defined by these x's that you have in your shape. So you should draw one in here too, and one in down, and again. And I will explain why we don't have any x's in the middle part of the shape. So do it for all of your shapes. Do it until you will reach the end. So the end has have two x's, and you may ask why. Because when we want to turn a three-phase electromotor right or left, we only need to change the position of two phases. For example, we can change 3 with 1, or 2 with 3, or 1 with 3. It's not important which one you choose. So, but it should be it should be two of them. So now we are going to write here big R. It means it will turn to right. Here a 0, and here a L for left. So you may ask why in the middle we don't have any x's to be connected. Because when at the 0 point there is no contact between, because the motor is off. When we turn it on, for example, we make it down, it will rotate to right. So the rotation is to right, and the part 0 is for stopping the motor. So now do it for all your shapes until the end. So here we are all set. Now we need to move all the shapes up a little bit. move them up. So here we are. Now that we have moved them, we need to draw another circle, and I will tell you why and what for is this circle. So this circle is practically our three-phase electromotor. So, and you may ask, doesn't it have any special symbols to say it? And we say yes. So for a three-phase motor, we draw a big M. So here is our M, and you need a tree and something to indicate that is alternative current. So you will click on this. It's a little it's a little small for here, so we need to take another choose make it bigger, choose another or make it bigger. So I think it is good now. So we write 3, and after that alternative current. This represents that this is alternative current. So we have our shape here. So now we are going to connect the 3 phases to the key that we have. So the first phase that we have will go here. As you can see, this line will help us know where know our line is straight and forwarded to where it ends is. We are going to connect the number 2. The number 2 is going to connect to 3. So here it is, as you can see, and here too we are going to connect it to number 5. So here is our number 5 connected. So we are all of the phases that are coming in their right position. So now we are going to extrude the way out. So the first phase that we have, and it should be connected, is coming out from 2. So if here is where I want, so here it is connected. This is not a straight line, so I will make it a little bit straight until here. So now we will move it down a little bit. Should be, oh, it's straight more than what it was. So this is for the first phase. Now we need our second phase. Second phase is coming out from 4. It's here, as you can see, and it will be right there. We are all set for number 6 is actually and the phase 3 is coming from the number 6. So it will be like this if you want. So practically we can change the setting to make our line straight, and I will do it in the next video. So now we are just going to make it a little bit straighter because I want to show you. So straight here until here is straight. After here it's all fault if it's not. So it's straight, I think. So here basically we connected, and remember we need fuses or circuit breakers. We are going to make circuit breakers. So I want to make them a middle joint for it. So I'll go. When you see this triangle, it's empty, it means it's in the middle. So now we are going to do a copy selection again and again. So we have our 3 fuses in here, and they are right in the position that they should be in. So we are going to write their name. So this is F1. It means first circuit breaker, and second one and the third one. So we are all set. We are going to make them in one line. Here is good. Here is good for you, buddy, and here is good for you. They are all in one line and finish. I think this is the shape that you will have. So thank you guys for watching until here, and subscribe to my channel, and if you like the video, thumbs up, and see you in other videos that I will make about AutoCAD electrical, and bye for now. I think it's all, and subscribe to my channel obviously, and finish.